Hello everybody. We are scratching with Holly. Yes. She is sitting here watching. Would you like to take a sniff at those? Maybe give me some Bengal luck? Do they smell remotely? I see the nose going. No? Mr. Scratcher's here. He had to bring another chair in because she stole his chair. He got up and she got in. All right. So we have two Florida lottery tickets, $10 tickets. We have number 51, 50 and 51. Ooh. All right. What can you win? My favorite, our coin.
Coin.
You can get a 2X or a 10X, or if you get the money bag, you win all 15 prizes.
Ooh.
And these are like my favorite tickets from New York, only I don't win as much. These are $5,000 a week for life. And we shall scratch off the winning numbers. Ooh, we'll start off with little baby 1.
Little 1.
27, 17, 28, 33, and 25. All right. So we have one single digit, a 1, one teen, a 17. We go right to 25, 27, 28, and 133.
All righty.
All right.
You can do it. Come on, win.
She's going to sleep there and just dream about me winning, right? The tail is going.
You sleeping on my chair?
Yeah, my tail is soothing me.
Her box is right here.
I know, but it's better to sit on the chair.
Because she's people.
Because that's where she belongs, in the chair.
So
All right, so we're one single digit, and it's a number 1, so.
All right.
And we have 115, which is a 17, 23, no 23, 9, 28. Oh, winner, chicken dinner.
Holly, just like that, the Bengal luck returns.
Just like that.
Now we're looking for the word life under there, which is what, $5,000 a week for life. We'll take
Something
that.
like that. Yeah, that'll work.
That'd be nice.
28. Ding, ding, ding. 2
okay, so it's
28s.
not a life, but it's a good winner.
Yes. 6. 26. No. 25, 27,
Right in the
and 28. 8. No. 35. No. 14. 21. 5. 29. Ours is 28. And an 18. Ours is 17. So we have 2 28s.
Yep.
What do you think that means?
The land of Florida, I can only guess.
Yeah.
We can hope not, but
We can hope.
take it 50.
Let's say $5.
It's Florida.
Yeah, and it's Florida. And
Oh,
15.
Oh, that's good.
Oh,
We'll take a
that's a
$20
$20 ticket.
That's better than a fake multiplier.
That's a good one. 5 and 15, 20.
Looks good to me.
So we live to scratch another day. We still have a ticket left.
Woohoo. Yo-ho, yo-ho.
Yo-ho, yo-ho. And we start off the exact same way
Yeah,
with
we
a
do.
1, 29, 24, lucky 13, 3, and 11. Chicken legs 11. So got some good numbers here.
All righty.
1 and 3, 11, 13, 24, 29. No 30s.
Nope. Come on, money bag.
Ah, 15. 28. Oh, so close.
20 from the last ticket.
Yeah, 31. No 30s. No 30s. And a 26. 6. No. 21. No. 7. No. 18. No. 25. We have a 24. Last row. 27. No. 9. No. 17. Had that on the last one. 19. And a 5. So this ticket was a bust.
What you won on this ticket?
But I won $20 on this ticket, which is a break even.
We'll take it.
We sure will. If you like what we do, give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
She's sleeping.
Can you send some Bengal luck and say, good luck with your scratching?